this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Maverick XLT. Coming in this nice Cactus Grey coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the 4K tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have the tow hitch there. You got a backup camera, and moving to the front, we do have that license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We do have this nice gray cloth interior. You got a 12-volt outlet right there. Nice little hook there. Plenty of storage in the door with orange accents. And of course, if you don't need that extra person, you do have 2 cup holders and some arm space. And this does open up for access to a car seat hookup. And of course, you can always lift up the seats as well if you need additional room. Taking a look at the driver's side, we can see the seats are manual with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space. You got your trailer disconnect as well as your 4-wheel drive capabilities, just right. Your lights, not your 4-wheel drive. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 28.9 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel. You have your toggle for your main screen there. Volume, voice, phone, media, and your volume and mute is right here. Cruise control right there. And looking at your main screen, you have your kilometers per hour, what station you're currently on, what phone's connected, your settings of the vehicle, trip 1, and so on and so forth. You have your gear shift right there, 2 cup holders, parking brake, your drive modes, which include normal, tow and haul, slippery, eco, and sport. Continue to look over here. You got 2 cup holders, storage, more storage there as well. You have your traction, auto stop, auto start, auto hold, leather wrap center console with a ton of storage. You have a USB and USB-C, a 12-volt. You have your climate controls right there, nice orange accent fans, storage right there as well as above. You have your volume, tune, hazards, main screen with your what station you're currently on, what device is connected, audio, which has Sirius XM capabilities. You can see what phones connected and what phones have been connected. Any apps you may have downloaded, you can find apps on your phone, Bluetooth, phone, display, radio, mobile apps, Wi-Fi, automatic updates, and so on and so forth. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RB10702, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.